Bloodletting continues in West Kingston as rival gangs fight and cops struggle to gain control. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. A former Deputy Commissioner's take on the PNP campaign funds scandal.
PNP investigates potential paper groups ahead of internal elections.
Traffic and more traffic. The latest on Marcus Garvey Drive road woes.
The prominent PNP voice that has thrown his hat in the race to replace Simpson Miller when she steps down.
In the business day, Bank of Jamaica releases code of conduct for financial institutions.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and primetime weather in this edition of Primetime News. But before the break, the feedback question.
What do you think should be done to bring the gang violence in West Kingston under control?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.